Hi friends, it's Jenny, and this is day 11 of the Jesse James Beads Advent Calendar for 2025. Becky and I have been taking turns opening up the different days 1 through 12. We're going to be finishing tomorrow on the 24th of December, and Becky's going to get to open that one. I'm going to be traveling. So I wanted to go ahead and show you when I'm going to be opening my day 11, but I wanted to show you what this is an overview of what we had gotten so far. And this is how I've kind of done a little bit of organizing. So first we got our beaded pen and all these fun things. And we've also got this little keychain. It doesn't quite fit because of the bar, but to make like a purse charm or a backpack charm, something like that. And so we've got all of those. We've gotten various bead mixes, metal mixes, charm sets. This bead mix was really cool, had a scoop built into it. Becky sorted that one. She's lucked out. She's gotten to do most of the bead mixes. In fact, she just had another bead mix last night that had these drops and reindeer and roses and a whole bunch of other cute things, and she made a couple pairs of earrings. So if you missed day 10, make sure to check the playlist and go and find day 10 if you want to see the earrings that she made. I do have the metals over here. This is my isolation zone. They're the metals that we need to check before I can use the items. These other metals have already been checked, as have these metal mixes. So far everything has been clear. We just haven't checked the charms that I opened a few days ago, as well as this. I think we also had some metals. I haven't moved them into this. See, I just got back to my house. And so I'm getting this ready for you all so that you can see it on the right day. And I haven't actually put in what we opened, which was a beaded wreath kit. And then we had a really sparkly bead mix as well. So this does not include the bead mix that was day, what was that? Day 8? I think that would have been day 8. So it doesn't include that bead mix. That's okay. I have it in my bag. I just haven't put it in the sorter. It's not all gonna fit, but that's okay. This was just kind of giving me a place to put some things that come in packages that aren't easy to like these stay in their packages because they're really easy to use. Sometimes they're in like little bags and it may not hold it. So it was a way for me to continue to contain that. But anyway, I just wanted to give you a quick look. This is most of what I have already opened. I'm about to open day 11, and then Becky is going to open day 12 tomorrow. So I'm just going to shift this stuff out of the way so we can focus on what we're getting right now. Here we go. This is the last one that I am opening on camera. I'm going to open day 12 when Becky's is available. Oh, and of course, I got stuff I can't use without checking it. So this is fun. Okay, let's get these out so that you can see them better because they're just in the plastic. These are the chain reaction. It's something that Jesse James Beads does where it's basically already beaded chain that you can use as is. You can take it apart in bits and pieces. You can use it as components in what else you're working on. And this is 3 sets of their chain reaction, which I did ask them at some point if they could give me details on metal information, and they said no, that they couldn't guarantee anything, which means we have to test everything we get from Jesse James Beads. And this is going to have to be tested. So again, I get to open something I can't use right away. So Becky has had a lot of longer Advent openings because she has sometimes been able to use them, or she's been able to sort beads, which does take a little bit longer, and it's super fun. But there's not going to be a whole lot I can say about these. So we have 2 that are gold toned. This one has kind of like a dark chocolatey brown rondelle worked into it. And these links here are kind of like shorter segments. This one is also gold, but it's kind of got a long twisted segment. And this is a kind of a burgundy red color for the crystal rondelle in it. And then we have the silver one, which has some straight bars and squares in the chain section and some clear rondelles. So Becky will check these to see if I can use them. She'll be doing the nickel testing on these as well as the other metals that we've gotten so far. This is a big part of why I haven't been making as we go, is because of my metal allergy and the not having the metal information. Like if all of this had been nickel free, which so far it has not had a nickel reaction of what we've tested so far. If they had said something and had a statement about it, I could go ahead and use it. But I can't. We do have to go through the testing process. That's why I advocate for metal information, because it does limit me, as well as other people. So anyway, here are our chains for day 11. Like I said, there's 3 of them. They're all slightly different components. They do all have the beads on them are rondelles, but you can see there's some different styles and patterns and colors too. And these chains are going to go really great with some of the things that we have. Like I can absolutely see this more woodsy mix working with this chain really well, as well as this chain. And then this one would be really pretty with the other mix that we just opened, the day 8 mix that had all of that great crystal sparkle. So this can definitely work in with other things that they've already given us. And so there's some good opportunities there. This would be really pretty. Like, look at that rose in with those, with the burgundy ones, if you want to kind of soften that a little bit. So there's a lot of things that you can do with it. And I think that it is very nice. And I know people who absolutely love the chain reaction, and that's great. I just can't use it without testing it. So it's maybe a little bit less exciting for me. I feel like I've been opening a lot of the metals, which is less exciting. So I'm sorry if that's kind of been a little bit of a downer. I do feel like we've gotten some really great stuff, and I am happy that, like I said, all of these metals that we've already tested, I can use. But the other ones I don't know yet. And so it's hard to be excited if I might have to throw them away. So there's that. So, yeah, more metal, fun ideas. There are going to be some fun design ideas with this. We'll just see whether or not I can use them. Becky may or may not, but you can open the links in the chain. They make them as they join them with little oval jump rings so that you can open the links and you can add more beads or other segments. There's a lot of different ways that you can do. You can extend this chain to do more, to have a little bit, add some bling. And then also it's already got these ready-made links for you. And it does look like they're all little oval jump rings, which is nice. Oval jump rings are pretty secure. These ones are round jump rings, but still there's a lot of great little options here. So, yeah, that's what we have going on. This is day 11, and we've gotten a lot of stuff. Like I said, this is what we'd already started to accumulate. Hard to show it all on camera. Let me just scooch this out just a little. And like I said, this doesn't include the ones that I opened while I was at Becky's, because it's still, honestly, it's still in my luggage, my bead luggage from the trip. I am working on getting that unpacked so I can get repacked for time with my family. I hope that you all have a wonderful holiday season. That I know that this can be a hard time of year for some people, and I hope that you have what and who you need to get through it. But that wherever possible, we can find some joy. And I hope that we have been able to help with that, to help share some joy. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So this has been my portion of the Advent calendar. Watch for Becky's video, the final one, day 12 tomorrow. And I think, guess what? I hear another bead mix. So I'm not sure what that's going to be, but this is day 12, guys. This is day 12, and I haven't opened it yet, but that's a shake. Little preview. Anyway, have a great day. Happy beading, and don't forget to play, friends. Bye.